After that, the same person file, there was on a folder called image zmq. You need to open that. In that same, in the library file, you just type command, then this types of dialog blocks will be appear. Here you just need to give a python space screen rec.py space server IP space localhost. Just see, it was the command you just need to give. Then once you give enter means it will go on. See, the so many dialog box will be appear, so don't panic. It just once you minimize means it will all go on. That is a name called no human, so many dialog box will be go on. So just all minimize your file that you are having. Just